learn a quick AutoCAD trick with AutoCAD's mid between 2 points tool. So I want this circle at a midpoint between these 2 points. So first I'll give copy command by typing CO in the command line and then select this circle. Then specify the center point of circle as a base point. Then type M2P, or you can also type MTP and hit enter. Then specify first point of mid and then second point of mid. And that's it. Similarly, you can use this tool with move command also. Give move command and then select this circle. Then specify the center point of circle as a base point. Then type M2P or MTP and hit enter. Then specify first point and then second point. And that's it. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.